Imagine holding a smartphone so powerful that it makes today's flagship devices feel outdated overnight. What if Samsung is secretly preparing its biggest Ultra upgrade in years? Stay with me until the end, because there's one rumored feature that could completely change the future of Galaxy smartphones, and you definitely don't want to miss it. The Samsung Galaxy S27 Ultra is already creating massive excitement, even though its official launch is still some time away, and based on the latest leaks and industry reports, this could become Samsung's most advanced smartphone ever. Starting with the design, Samsung is expected to keep the premium titanium frame while introducing a refreshed camera layout and an even more refined, slimmer body with improved durability and IP68 water and dust resistance. On the front, we could see a stunning 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display featuring an adaptive 1 Hz to 120 Hz refresh rate, ultra-thin bezels, HDR support, incredible brightness, and Gorilla Glass armor protection for an amazing viewing experience whether you're gaming, streaming, or using the phone outdoors. Performance is expected to reach an entirely new level thanks to the rumored Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 for Galaxy processor built on an advanced 2nm process, delivering faster speeds, improved AI processing, better graphics performance, and excellent power efficiency for demanding games, multitasking, and professional workloads. Speaking of AI, Samsung is expected to expand Galaxy AI with smarter photo editing, real-time language translation, AI writing assistance, advanced voice commands, personalized daily recommendations, intelligent battery optimization, enhanced privacy tools, and even more on-device AI features that work without relying heavily on cloud processing. Camera lovers also have plenty to look forward to. Rumors suggest Samsung may continue with a 200MP main camera while introducing improved sensors, better image processing, enhanced low-light photography, sharper zoom quality, professional-grade portrait modes, smoother 8K video recording, advanced stabilization, and AI-powered video editing that could make content creation easier than ever. Battery life could finally receive the major upgrade Galaxy fans have been requesting for years. Several leaks suggest Samsung may adopt new silicon carbon battery technology, potentially increasing capacity beyond the long-standing 5,000 mAh limit while also supporting faster wired charging, improved wireless charging, and possibly Qi 2 magnetic charging compatibility for greater convenience. Storage options are expected to include 256GB, 512GB, and even 1TB variants paired with 12GB or 16GB of RAM, making the phone ideal for creators, professionals, and power users. The S Pen is also expected to remain part of the Ultra experience, giving users unmatched productivity for note-taking, editing, sketching, and precision control. Software-wise, the phone will likely launch with Android 17 and Samsung's latest One UI version, bringing years of software updates, stronger security, and even more intelligent AI experiences. As for the release date, Samsung is widely expected to unveil the Galaxy S27 Ultra during its traditional Galaxy Unpacked event in early 2027, with availability shortly afterward, although the company has not officially confirmed the schedule. But here's the biggest surprise. Some of the latest rumors suggest Samsung could finally introduce one of the most significant hardware upgrades in the Galaxy Ultra lineup after years of smaller improvements, meaning the S27 Ultra might not just be another annual refresh, but the phone that completely resets expectations for Android flagships. Whether those rumors become reality or not, one thing is certain. The Galaxy S27 Ultra is shaping up to be one of the most exciting smartphones we've ever seen. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know.